Today we are checking out the brand new A5 battery jump starter from GooLoo. This thing has been absolutely amazing over the past 4 weeks that I've been checking it out, and there are a few reasons that I actually like it over the one that I've been using for the past couple years, which is the GooLoo GT4000. So let's not waste any time, let's get straight into it. Yo, what is up guys? Jamie from Jamie's Detailing. You guys know I've been using GooLoo's GT4000 for a couple years now. Now, I actually picked this up when I first started detailing just in case I had an emergency with any of my customers' vehicles. That way I could just jump start them in the case that I accidentally drained a battery. This has only happened to me a few times, maybe like 3 to 4 times since I've started my business. So at least once a year, I guess, since I started my business, it happens. But occasionally I will have a car that comes to me with a pretty dead battery, or a battery that needs to be replaced probably pretty soon. And sometimes when you guys are working on these cars for, you know, a couple hours or longer, you guys will drain down a battery eventually, and it definitely sucks anytime that happens, because without a jump starter or without some way to recharge that battery, you guys are going to have to call some type of mobile mechanic, a emergency roadside service, or potentially even just a tow truck to get the client's vehicle back to their house. So that situation would definitely suck. So I made sure when I first started my business to pick up a battery jump starter, just to jump start vehicles in the case of an emergency. And I'm definitely glad I did, because I've used this thing, like I said, 3-4 times that I can remember, and it works phenomenally well and has definitely saved me in a few pinches. GooLoo actually saw the video that I put out on this thing a few years ago, or a year and a half ago or so, and they sent out their newest GooLoo A5 battery jump starter and inflator, and it comes in this awesome little portable bag that fits perfectly in my detailing rig, so that I have this thing at all times with all the accessories that are in the kit. So first off, guys, I want to go over just the battery jump starter itself, because it is a little bit of an upgrade from the old GT4000, but at the same time, the GT4000 does have one major difference that I'll talk to you guys about at the end. So, talking about the specs on this thing is 4,000 amps, just like our old jumper pack. So you guys are going to be able to jump start pretty much any car, whether it's a huge 12-liter, or I think this one technically says on the paperwork 10-liter diesels, but you guys can start things all the way up to 10-liter diesels, so it's going to work perfectly fine for most of your average vehicles that you are going to be detailing. This thing also has a tire inflator that's built in that goes all the way up to 160 psi, which is insane. So this is easily going to work for all your tires and stuff like that, but you guys could also use this for other things that you guys want to inflate, like whatever inflatables you guys have. So this thing has been awesome so far. I've actually been playing around with it for like a month now, and it works super good. And I did leave the little screen protector that comes on it, like in the package. Since I use it professionally and I'm throwing it in and out of the car all the time, I actually left the little screen protector that comes on here. I'm trying to peel up a corner for you guys to see, but I always leave the screen protectors on these things. You're supposed to peel off the little cellophane. I always leave mine on there just because it kind of just protects it for a little bit longer, and then when this gets all ugly looking, I can peel it off and I have a brand new looking device. Aside from the fact that this thing can jumpstart cars and it has that awesome tire inflator built in, and I should actually show you guys if you guys can see this, but I think it's bright enough. We're kind of facing the sun right here. So actually if you come into here and you go to the little it has different modes. So it has like one for your motorcycle, one for your car, and one for your basketballs or normal balls and stuff like that. But it also has this user mode right here that goes all the way up to 160 right there on the display. So I haven't used it all the way up to 160 yet, but I have used this up to like 45 PSI, and it works perfectly fine for pumping up and inflating all your tires. Now, aside from the normal stuff that you would buy this thing for, this thing is awesome just to carry in your vehicle as just a battery pack for charging. If you guys are doing any kind of social media type stuff or anything like that, you guys can charge your phones, you guys can charge your cameras, all your gear you guys can charge with this thing using the USB-A and the USB-C port. But the USB-C port that you actually charge stuff off of is built into this. So it has a built-in USB-C cable right there in the side that doubles as a carry strap. So I just thought that was like the coolest little thing that this thing had, was that built-in carry strap that doubles as a USB-C. So I can charge my cell phone off of this thing, everything. And I think the USB-C on here goes to 45 amps. So you can actually charge your phone ridiculously fast using this thing. And you can charge like a lot of other devices, even a lot of laptops. One last thing that this thing has, it also has a built-in light. Can't see it in the sun. So here is the light, guys. The light on here is awesome. It has like just a regular kind of flood mode, a strobe mode, and then that's about it for the light. But super nice if you guys are just trying to pump up your tire in the dark. And my detailing rig actually has a flat tire right now. Not flat, but it has like world's slowest leak. So every few days I'm having to like just put a few pounds of air in that thing just to keep it where it's supposed to be. So this thing has actually been awesome the past month, and I'm trying to hold myself over on buying a whole new set of tires for the detailing rig, because secretly I am also trying to save up for a new detailing rig to kind of replace the old XB. I don't know if I'm going to sell the XB or not, but I definitely want to get something new for my daily detailing rig. So that's one of my future goals right now. Now, guys, this thing also comes with some accessories here in the package. So along with your little tire inflator right here, which this is really nice, it actually has the nice little locking head on there. So pretty decent little tire inflator valves that they give you. You guys also get some other goodies in here with the tire inflator. You guys are also gonna get a pack right here. These are all of those little accessories that you guys are gonna want, like the inflator for your basketball, the inflator for your pool toys and all that kind of stuff. So I've been using this thing for, you know, other stuff besides just detailing, which is super, super nice that this thing's a little bit more versatile than something I'm just keeping in my detailing rig all the time. I can use it myself for, you know, family stuff. Aside from that, guys, it comes with your jumper cables. Now, this thing's completely simplified over the old GT4000. Not completely simplified, it's just a little simpler. The old GT4000 actually had a built-in boost button. This guy right here, it actually just has the boost button built into the jumper pack, so, or it built into the cables themselves. So the cables are super nice, but the boost button's actually just right here. So if you guys are if the car you're trying to jumpstart is super dead, and it's not working, like when you just plug in the jumper cables and try to start it for the first time, you can hit that boost button and it's going to give it a bunch of extra amperage. That way it can start even if the battery is completely depleted. So this thing has been awesome, guys. I've actually already used it a couple times, and even just the other day, I was driving past the gas station and I saw a couple. I'm pretty sure it was a husband and wife, but it looked like the wife got stuck at the gas station, couldn't get her car started, so I did a quick little U-turn and I was able to get her car started so her husband wasn't sitting out in the freezing cold that night. It was like a week ago when we were having those storms coming through. So I love carrying this thing around, and it just gives me a reason to hand out some more business cards so people can come to me whenever they need a detail. So having something like this in your car can definitely spark up some conversations with other, you know, automobile owners on the road and potentially get you some more business in the future. So anyways, guys, this thing is freaking awesome, but before I actually give you guys my final thoughts on it, I want to take you guys over to my little sister's car that's here right now and just give you a quick demo on how the actual jumper pack works itself. So here we are over at my little sister's car, and this is super simple to do, way easier than trying to start a car with like jumper cables or something like that. Jumper cables just don't supply the amperage that you guys want to really just jump start that car right away. Otherwise, you're gonna be sitting there waiting for the battery to charge up to a certain point, and then you can try to jump start it, and half the time it doesn't actually start, so then you got to start everything all over and let the battery recharge again, and it's such a headache to try to use the old school method with the jumper cables. So ever since I moved over to the jumper packs, life has been so much easier. But anyways, popping this thing out, guys, all you got to do is open up this little flap right here, the jumper cable flap, and your jumper cables just plug right in to the corner right here. So super simple. You just plug them in right where you need them, and your boost button is on this side by the USB-C cable. So all I'm gonna do is get this to a spot here in the car where I can attach this to each lead on the battery. So now we got our positive and our negative both hooked up, and this thing's actually already ready to go. Now, if this thing had a super dead battery, you guys can go ahead and hit that boost button, and the boost button is gonna give this thing a little bit more power so that it can hopefully jump start that vehicle for you. So then pretty much all you guys are gonna do, come over to the car, and it's gonna start up for you right away. So yeah, super simple to use this thing. Now obviously this car's battery was not dead, but this thing I can tell you guys will work on some extremely depleted batteries. I actually had one a couple years ago when I had to replace the battery in my detailing rig. That thing was all the way down at like 9 volts and had absolutely no amperage left in it, like cold cranking amps. So even trying to use the battery charger overnight, it still couldn't get that thing to a point where it could jump start the car, and I still had to use one of these things. This has been an awesome jumper pack over the past few weeks that I've been trying it out. If you guys don't have a jumper pack, I can highly recommend this one, or even my old GT400, which is about the same price. The biggest difference is the GT400 has a couple extra USB-C ports over this one, and it a 100-watt power delivery port for charging up your devices and all that kind of stuff, so you can supply 100 watts to like your MacBook or something like that if you wanted to charge it. This one has a dedicated USB-C out, and it goes up to 45 watts. So that's the biggest difference, aside from the fact that this one also has the built-in inflator. So personally, I would pick up this one over the old GT4000. GT4000 is a little bit more compact, and I like the jumper cables on that one a little bit more because they don't have this small little box on it. But they're both around the exact same price, and for the added functionality of having the tire inflator, I would definitely pick this one up over the GT4000, just for my own personal preference. But in the comments down below, let me know if you guys carry a jumper pack as a professional detailer, and have you actually had to end up using it on a customer car. But anyways, guys, that's pretty much all that I had for today's video. Thank you. Huge shout out to GooLoo for sending me this thing. I'm going to be carrying this for quite a while. So yeah, really like it. And yeah, I love the actual bag and everything that comes in, because the GT4000 does not come with like a nice carrying, it comes with a carrying bag, but it doesn't come with like a nice carrying, like a fitted one like this one does. So anyways, guys, that is pretty much all that I had for today's video. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Then pretty much all you guys are gonna do, come over to the car. If I could figure out what I did with the keys.